The National Green Tribunal has given clearance to the controversial Great Nicobar mega infrastructure project in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. A 6-member special bench rejected petitions that challenged the project on environmental and regulatory grounds. The tribunal said there was no strong reason to stop the project and stressed its strategic importance while directing authorities to strictly follow environmental and coastal rules. The project, costing over 80,000 crore rupees, will cover 166 square kilometers of forest land being diverted. It includes a transshipment port, an integrated township, a civil and military airport, and a gas and solar power plant. Environmental clearance was granted in November 2022 and forest clearance in October 2022. Activists opposing the project raised concern over the displacement of Shompen and Nicobarese tribal communities and warned about earthquake and tsunami risk in the region. A major ecological concern in Galathea Bay, the site of the port and the main nesting ground of the endangered Leatherback Sea Turtle. The project also threatens rare wildlife like the Nicobar Megapode and saltwater crocodiles. To make way for development, between 8.5 lakh and 10 lakh trees are expected to be cut, raising serious concern being irreversible damage to one of India's last pristine rainforest. While the government views the project as strategically important, environmentalists warns the ecological cost could be permanent.